Hey guys, Scott again. Today I'm here to unleash you a product with good design and handy innovation award. So it is Worx Gardening Series WG329E.5 Cordless JawSaw. This model is actually with 20W Max Li-ion battery and power share technology. The cordless JawSaw is lightweight, portable, and the safe way to tackle the pruning and trimming jobs anyway. It's not a much safer chainsaw, but it also specifically designed to better fit household typical needs such as clean up after storm, pruning trees, and chopping logs. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing section. Hey guys, I'm here to tell you what's inside the box with this model. The right in front of me is the Creativity chainsaw. We also call it JawSaw, and we have also included the fast charger with 20W battery. Next, this is spanner, oil supplier, and lubrication oil. Last is the product manual and warranty card. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to give me a like and share this video.